Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you where you can simply find history of actions in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be an Elementor dashboard where you can add, edit and everything in Elementor. And in the left down corner you're gonna see history. And voila, you can see like all the history that happened. And I can like divide or gap, okay. And I can go back, like what was happening here. So if someone is editing website for you, you can see what was the progress, how were they working on it. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support and things like that. And yeah, goodbye.